This guy. I think it's a baby coyote. If not, it's a chihuahua that somebody buried and then somebody dug up. Oh, please, mosquito repellent, do your job. I need help. This is brutal. I can see a little bluegill or something looking straight back at me. Oh, you want some of this? Go get it, crawdad. Cajun style. What's up, everybody? I'm here on a 4-day fishing mission, but I'm feeling like an idiot. Pretty much feeling like an idiot. You know why? I brought everything you could possibly imagine. Floaty devices, snorkels, all kinds of stuff. You know the one thing I forgot? Yeah, my fishing poles. I went to grab them, saw the firewood, thought to myself, you know what, I'm gonna load this stuff up. You know, load the firewood first, then the fishing poles. ADD, it's a real deal. So yeah, I've used my SOS device on my phone to message my brother, and maybe, just maybe, he shows up with some fishing poles. That would be awesome. And if he does come, he'll probably come via water. So we're gonna have to wait and see. Oh yeah, it's gonna be an interesting weekend for sure. If not, we're gonna improvise and we're gonna make our own fishing pole. Trust me, I ain't giving up. So these are gonna be my views for the next 4 days. Where my camp's set up. Well, maybe he's not coming today. Normally when he's on the water by 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning. So it's already gone probably 8:30 already. 8:18. That's ironic. Huh. Well, in the meantime, every time I hear a motor, I'm gonna be like, is it him? No, it's all good. I'll cook him breakfast if he gets here. Whatever it takes, you know? I got bacon, I got sausage, I got steaks, I got pizza rolls, I got whatever. So for those of you that saw my last video, this was the mask we were using, and it just filled up with water. It didn't work, and I realized it didn't have a purge valve. It was missing from manufacturing. So took that one back, got a new one, and I opened the box to make sure it had the purge valve. You see down in there a little round circle. That's the one-way purge valve. So we should be able to dive down to the bottom, get some good footage of the fish if we can't catch them. So it's one or the other. Oh yeah, and this is where the raft impaled itself on the tree. Got it all patched and repaired. We'll see if it'll hold up. I've got a backup just in case. But it's gonna be an interesting weekend. You fish better hope my brother doesn't show up. Okay, I just got satellite communication that he is on his way. So we will have the technology. Woo! One down, one to go. I also forgot the pump. Not on a good streak here. So I saw some ducks right there. You can see them coming in. Started throwing them crackers. Come on, ducky duckies. Come on. I'm a nice guy, swear. I don't like duck. It's too greasy. That's why I'm feeding you crackers, to dry you out. Just testing my little patch, little spit there. We have bubbles. That's not gonna work. So I'm gonna have to, so it's time to try to, I got one more patch left. We'll see if I can get it. Well, still blowing bubbles on that one part, so I've got an idea. Got a band-aid, a literal band-aid. I gotta look through my truck. We gotta find something. That was not gonna work either. Ah! Struggles. Okay, latest update. They decided to drive in instead of jet skiing. So I got this neoprene glove I disassembled. We're gonna try that, use that as a patch. Struggles. Look at the bubbles. This one's pretty big though. Well, we'll see if that'll hold. Well, they left for the day. We had fun, we swam, we rock hounded, found fossils, all kinds of stuff. Caught a horny-toed lizard again. And we have the technology. So, we'll be fishing. Earlier I was snorkeling. Snorkel works, and I captured some footage of catfish and some baby guppies, but we'll be doing more of that tomorrow as well. Ducky light cracker. Cracker. You want a cracker? Okay, we are into that time of evening. Super calm water. Feeding the ducks. The mosquitoes are relentless. I cannot describe it. I've got the rappel all over me. I'm telling you, it's brutal. If I go up on top of the hill, sometimes I can catch just a little bit of signal to see if I have any emergency texts or whatever. And I was getting mauled, to say the least. So I'm recording the bats flying around. Yeah, it is brutal. What are you gonna do? Such is life. Nature, you gotta love it. But yeah, look at this. Look at these welts. These are like no joke welts. These mosquitoes have some potent, whatever they're on or whatever they're, yeah, it's bad. Legs ate up, backs ate up. They just chew. Bats, please eat more, please. These things keep breeding, man. I know I'm gonna end up getting sick one of these days. Ah. Malaria. I'm gonna get malaria, I just know it. Oh, come on, ducky, come eat your crackers. Well, we're gonna go for the behemoth. More smoke, the better at this point. Good grief. Okay, early in the morning, Sunday. Fishing mission begins. I'm gonna start with the top lure. This is one of my new guys I'm gonna try out. It's got some flap supposed to help attract them. I've got some mosquitoes, and then I've got some extra yum on there. Okay, we're gonna sneak around the corner, see if we can get a different view. Woo, slippery. I was wondering if this place had crawdads, and sure enough, I was looking in the water last night and I saw something move underneath a rock. Pulled the rock up, and boom, there's a crawdad. Mosquitoes are relentless. Yeah, there's a couple of our bass friends are back. I think that's a catfish out there. I can see him swimming out that way, but he's a little bit too far, so I'm gonna wait for him to circle back around. It's getting toasty pretty quick. Water's looking real nice. I'm thinking about doing some sunscreen on. I think I'm gonna take the little raft and float up the cove, fish that way. Okay, we're taking her to the water. Woo! So cool. Got the fishing pole. Calm waters. Let's get up this cove, splash around, scare all the fish off, and then try to catch one. Sounds like a good idea. There's a couple guys fishing over here in a boat. Actually, they came up this cove and went back. One guy caught a smallmouth there, but he pulled hooks on it and then broke his line, and then ended up catching either the same one or another one over there. So they are here. You guys can see there's a bass right there, and then a sunfish or bluegill. Another sunfish. I just reeled back to shore because I realized I didn't put sunscreen on my legs. It felt like they were burning up, and they were. So anyways, switch lures to this shad. Seems pretty nice. Did a little practice cast at the shoreline, and it looks legit real when it's in the water. So I was over on the other side fishing off the shoreline. Guy comes up in a boat and starts fishing this cove. Ended up losing a monster bass over there. So I asked him what he was using, and so he gave me some of what he was using. So you just let it drop straight down. He said most of the time they'll hit it before it hits the ground. He goes, you don't have to like reel it sideways or anything. Just drop it down, let it go, and they'll hit it. So give me some like purple color with sparkles in it. So we're gonna hook that up. I'm gonna go back in that other cove and see if we can get that largemouth bass. If not, I know that there's one hiding out, he told me. So let's do it. Okay, we are in position. Let's see how it goes. Well, that was unfruitful. So I think it's time. It's hot. It's middle of the day. So I think it may be time to put on the snorkel gear and go see where they're at. Let's do it. wow, that was some cool footage. I cannot believe how close that largemouth bass let us get to it. So that one of the first ones we saw was up over in that little cove right there, and then the big one was up in this area right here. But all along there is where we got to target. So I'm gonna rest up and then go back up and then come down this side of the cove, see if there are any more hiding out. But man, some of those guys are big. That one, the first one, I think was probably about, I don't know, 2.5, 3 pounds. The other one was like 5 or 6. He was a monster. So anyways, all right, rest up and we'll get back at it. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. There's a, I think that's a catfish, I believe. Maybe we'll go for him later. Let's see here. It's hard to tell. Pretty sure it's a catfish. He's bottom feeding.
All right, let's go round 2.
I personally think we got some very good footage. A lot of fish, man. That school little baby fish, different bass, catfish. There was a couple of fish in there I didn't even recognize. So I am wore out. I left the raft back here and I swam all the way up and around the cove, back up this way, and then across. I'm ready to tear me up a steak. Sustenance. I am tired, like, whew. It's 5:30 in the afternoon and the mosquitoes are already starting, so I'm about to start a smoky fire. Hopefully that helps. So we snorkeled all the way up that coast. I ended up seeing that bass. I don't know if it'll show up on film or not, but this thing was massive. I'm talking like, it looked 10-15 pounds, massive. So I'm really hoping that one shows up on film. So anyway, so then I jumped back up on shore and was walking by a tree. Rattlesnake started going off and I'm like, about face. So anyways, came up, got up on the dry land and found this guy. I think it's a baby coyote. If not, it's a chihuahua that somebody buried and then somebody dug up. I don't know. But it looks like a baby. I'm saying it's baby Cujo. Baby Cujo! These are a couple of the other, I think this is a fossil in here. You can see. And then an imprint of a shell. I don't know how well that comes out. Pretty cool stuff. Okay, let's get started. I got some ginger here. I'm gonna saute it, and then I got fresh basil from my garden, fresh lemon basil from my garden, tomatoes, some strawberries. Oh yeah. Just gonna pre-chop this up, get this kind of pre-cooking first. Got my cast iron skillet down there. I'm not throwing it on the ground. Some garlic would have been nice. Got that along with my fishing poles. Ah. A little bit of butter. A little more butter. More butter, I need the fat. Actually, it's olive oil, it's good for you. See here. Oh yeah, there's some of the lemon basil. Super good. It's got a little wet in the cooler, so it looks a little wilted, just a little soggy. There's some of the tomatoes from my backyard. Strawberries. That's dessert. Now for the piece of resistance, or whatever they say. I don't know about you guys, but for the desert, that sure does look like a meal of champions. I'm about to scarf. But before I do, let's see if I'm getting this thing figured out. See if I get medium rare. Ah, dang it. I really got to cook it less than the second time. Oh well, it's food. Oh my God, let me tell you, that was one of the best meals I've had in the desert, period. Even though it wasn't medium rare, and I wish it would have been, that topped them. Fresh basil from the garden, fresh tomatoes from the garden. I'm still chewing on it right now. Amazing, amazing. I'm not trying to pat myself on the back for being a good cook, but I'm a good cook. Just lost a lung on that one. All right, it's that time of the evening where I've doused myself in Repel. The bats are out flying on the other side of the cove, over there. Not over here yet. They're coming. They're making their way this way. I've seen one falcon. Fish have been splashing. So tempting. I think what I'm gonna do is, what I talked about earlier, seen the crawdads. I think I'm gonna try to do some night hunting and see if I can find them. Kind of sad in a way. It's gonna be my last video here for a while. 4 weeks in a row. Now off to a new place. Probably dry land. Got a few different ideas. But you never know. Anything could happen. Brutal, let me tell you. I just went on a hike to take some pictures and stuff up here, and I was walking down along this tree line, and let me tell you, the mosquitoes are relentless. They do not care. They maul you. I was running finally. They're tagging the back of my head. Oh, I ran immediately to the fire. I needed smoke, get them all off me. They were still on me when I ran into camp, like everywhere. It's insane. Woo! The good parts and the bad parts. Got the water and you got the mosquitoes. Oh, please, mosquito repellent, do your job. I need help. This is brutal. I've got backup. Come on, guys. Eat, eat, eat. Eat as fast as you can. Please, I need help. Oh, please help. Even though some people don't like bats, I love them. Mosquito repellent. Oh, big old fish jump. Woo! Hope I caught that. You want some of this? Okay, speaking of crawdads, we're gonna go with the Rapala number 5 crawdad. Yep, he's out there still jumping. I'm smoking a cigar because I'm trying to get as much smoke around me as possible. Don't worry, I learned from Bill Clinton not to inhale. It's all good. Come on, bad boy. Oh, get it. I can see a little bluegill or something looking straight back at me. Oh, you want some of this? Come get it, crawdad. Cajun style. What's up, bat? You ever seen a angry old man smoke a cigar fishing on the side of the shore, huh? Good cat. Get it. It's funny, I can see all the mosquitoes flying around me, but they don't want to come near me. There's all the smoke. There's smoke coming from the fire pit. Smoke from me. Come and get it, boys. Ugh. Come on. Doesn't that look like a scrumptious crawdad? Oh, I knew that was gonna happen. Ah, you little bastard. Okay, on that cast, I threw it out, and I knew immediately it was probably going to hit rocks, and started reeling as fast as I could, and yeah, I caught rocks. So that's going to lay there for the night. We'll get her in the morning. Snorkel out there and unsnag her. Such is life. Okay, as promised, out here crawdad hunting, and I think, oh, I don't know if you guys can see it. I wish you could. I think it's a baby catfish, like legit. Legit, I think he's like that big. I'm gonna try to sneak in here and get a shot of him. Yeah, that's a baby catfish. That is so cool. There's a baby bass in between the rocks. They're hiding out from their big brothers and such. What you doing, buddy? You gonna grow up and let me catch you one of these days? Well, the bigger fish come out at night, huh? As we speak, the mosquitoes are annihilating me. I don't know, maybe that is a bass. I wonder if I still, I used to have some good skills. Oh, hold on. I used to have some good skills where I could catch them with my bare hands. Do that martial arts speed and such. Oh, not so much. Where'd you go? You don't want to come play? He's over there swimming by the shore. Yeah, he's like, I got you. I know your little games. Well, so much for that. Back to you. Hey, buddy. Want to come play? Where are you going? I see you. You don't see my hand. You don't see my hand. It's not there. It's a figment of your imagination. Oh, so close. Okay, it is the next morning. Let's go see what we're hung up on, or if we can get it unhung. Where am I at here? Gotta be close. Where am I? Oh yeah, I see it. There we go. Whee! All right. Got her back. Well, another fishing mission in the books. I hope you got to enjoy some of the footage of the fishies swimming around. I think the wind's about to pick up and get crazy. It's getting stronger and stronger, so I'm gonna try to get the canopy down and packed up and out of here while I can. Thanks for spending your time with me. Really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, drop a comment, tell me what your favorite fish was that you saw. And until the next time, get out there in nature so that you can stay in the silver state of mind. Peace. Whoop.
Summer outside, winter indoors. Cats and butterflies around my head. Summer outside, winter indoors. Where do we go? Hush, don't let me know. I don't want steady stare, put me out of my misery and love me. Every waking hour, rose petals bloom. I'll see you soon, I'll see you soon.